Once again, I welcome you guys to the Make IT Simple YouTube channel. Again, this video is a continuation to my previous video, which is learning about Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. In this video, what I will do is I will write a simple program with the concept of what I teach in the last 14 sessions. Let's get into the demo. So I just already created a file with the extension of py. I just explained what are the concept we went through in the last 10 to 14 videos. We went through the if statement, and we went through the type conversion, and we went through the formatting the strings, and so many logical operator, comparison operator, logical operator, comparison operator, and we went through the max functions, and we went to the operator precedence, and these are the concept we went through it. Now what you can do is with the help of this concept, we'll try to create a simple program. What I did is I just took the weight converter program, whatever you enter in the weight or kilograms or pounds, it just has to convert the program. Let's see. For that, what I can do is I just want to get the input from the variable. For that, what I can do is I need to make use of input, enter the weight, and I need to store it in a variable. I can store it in a variable like weight, and then I need to ask the information again, information input, in what format they have entered, it's in a kilograms or lbs. For that, what I can do is I just use lbs or kilograms, kgs. So again, I need to store it in the some variable, I can make use of unit. Now what I have to do is after getting this value, here what I have to do is I need to check the value whether it is lbs or kilogram. So I can make use of condition if unit equal to L. Suppose just think about it, what if they entered a small capital letter, a small letter or capital letter. So I need to make use of the string methods or function over here to convert it. String unit dot upper equal to L. If it is L, I need to do some mathematical calculation, and what I do is I got the value weight, and I need to multiply with some value like 0.45 and all. Okay, and I need to store it in some value variable. I'm just make use of converted variable, and what I'm doing is I need to print this value, and what I have to do is I need to print this value with the some kind of formatted string. So I make use of formatted string, and your converted weight, your converted or your converted weight, you can say your converted weight, and I am making use of placeholder, and the placeholder I'm just having this variable converted weight in kilos. Okay, and similarly else if condition, else if unit dot, again I make use of string methods or function equal to k. Again I'm just make use of copying this value and pasting it over here. Instead of multiplication mathematical operation, I make use of division, and in the max function or in the operator precedence, I explained about the difference between single slash and double slash. The single slash means it's kind of division, it will give the floating point value. If you want to be in the whole digit number, integer number, you can make use of double slash, and here lbs, that's it. And in the else condition, they didn't print any value. Else, if they didn't print, I'm just giving type k or L, that's it, kilo or lbps. Now let's try to run this program now. Just running this program, it is asking enter the weight. I'm just typing 72. It's asking lbps, kgs. I'm just typing some other value like ty, and by make use of if else condition, it is going to the else block. It has type k or L. So what I'm doing is I'm just trying to run this program. Again enter the weight 72, and I am typing it's my kilogram. So I'm just typing k, and it throws error. What it is error is it shows unsupported operand type slash. As I already mentioned, right, it is whatever value we are typing in the input, it is always the string. So I need to convert this value to the integer or float to the decimal value. So I need to make to the type conversion. From getting itself, I make use of int type conversion value. So integer, that's it. And just running the command again. And I'm just trying to enter the weight again, 72, and it's my kilogram, okay, and it's now it is getting through and it's showing like your weight is 160 lbps. I'm just trying to run this one again and giving the weight as 160, and it is my lbps, and it says like the current weight is 72. So with the help of this program, we have come across all the videos what we went for the last couple of 10 videos. Like we use type conversion, we use like a if else condition, and we make use of string methods and functionalities. And string methods and function, we make use of formatting the strings, and little bit of like arithmetic operators with multiplication and division and all. So if you have any doubts on implementing this example, just add it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thank you all.